Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, allow me to introduce myself. I am Gunawan Sabir. I study at Muhammadiyah University of Rappang. Right now, I am in the 3rd semester. Okay, on this opportunity, I will explain about phonology and phonetics. This video I make to fulfill my assignment from my lecturer. So stay tuned and let's start it. Before moving on to the main discussion, I will explain about its main branch, namely linguistics. Linguistics is a field of science that studies about language. So by studying linguistics, we will certainly understand the rules of language. Okay, let's move to the number 1, definition of phonology and phonetics. Phonology comes from two words, namely phone and logos, where phone means sound and logos means signs. So phonology is the study of the sounds of language. In simple language, phonology is the study of how to pronounce a language and its patterns. In fact, not only that, we will also study how a language can appear and how a language can disappear. Phonetic. Phonetics is the result in the form of produced by the letters we speak. With the help of phonetic, we will focus on discussing how a sound can be formed using several body parts, such as lips, tongues, teeth, larynx, lungs, and others, so that it is easier for us to learn how the sound of a word. The second one is the difference between phonetic and phonology. A. Phonetics, the science that investigates how sound is produced by the mouth, nose or nasal sound, throat, and so on. So it's more about studying audible sounds and has nothing to do with the meaning of the sounds produced. While phonology, the study of both sound and its meaning. So this phonology explores the difference when a sound is produced and how if the sound is produced a little differently, it will change the meaning of the sound. For example, the words sing and seeing. Both are pronounced differently and of course have different meanings. B. Phonetic learning is not limited to a particular language, while phonology can be studied in only one language. C. Phonetic focuses more on descriptive linguistics, while phonology focuses more on linguistic theory. The last one is types of phonetics. In studying phonetics, you will get to know 3 types of phonetics, including A. Articulatory phonetics is a branch of phonetics that studies the mechanisms by which speech organs work in producing speech sound and how these sounds are classified. B. Acoustic phonetics is a science that studies the sound of language as a physical event and investigates it in terms of vibration, frequency, intensity, amplitude, and timbre. The main concern of this study is the sound waves generated during speech activity and the transmission of these vibration waves through the air. And C. Auditory phonetics is the study of a language received by the listener. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. Hopefully, what we learned today not just stop here, but also can be used in the future. To end this, I would like to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.